So we have this beautiful picture of lotus in a pond with which we are going to color with the help of sketch pens. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to color them with the help of sketch pens. So let us start. I'm going to fill in the color inside the boundary. Make sure you don't leave any white space. And no lines are visible. Make sure you blend your color well. Blending plays a very important role. So don't rub your sketch pen on the paper. Make sure you cover all the white space in just single stroke. I am first doing the boundary. If you face any sort of problem while coloring, one mantra I would love to tell you is always do your boundaries first. If you are done with the boundaries, the only thing left is to fill in the white space. And it automatically becomes easier for us to fill the space. See. Following the same thing, I am doing my boundary first and then I am filling in the gaps. Same way, I am using purple color to do my third lotus. You can use any other color of your choice. Doing the outline, and now I'll be filling in my color. Make sure you keep checking if there is any white space left and keep filling it at the same time. Boundary again. Doing the boundary and I am filling in the color. So we are done with this petal as well. Following the same steps, I am going to do the small petals and the front big petal. So I'm done with the picture. Same way you have to complete the picture on your own.
I hope you enjoy doing this beautiful activity with me. Now, I'll suggest you keep practicing sketch pens and all the other colors that I teach you during the series. I'll see you in the next class. Do complete your work and bye-bye and happy learning.